Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Life English. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Peng. It's great to be here, too. Emma, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, Peng. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great. Excited for today's episode. We've got a thrilling story to explore.
Yes, we do. Before we begin, let's welcome all our viewers and listeners. Thank you for joining us today.
Whether you're watching on YouTube or listening on your favorite podcast app, we're so glad you're here.
Today's topic is a mystery story. It's called The Unexpected Guest, written by Agatha Christie, one of the most famous mystery writers in the world.
This story is full of suspense, secrets, and unexpected twists. It's perfect for English learners who love drama and mystery.
Before we dive into the story, please support our channel. Click subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment, and share this episode with your friends.
It really helps us grow and bring you more exciting English content.
All right, let's begin with a short summary of the story.
The unexpected guest begins on a foggy night. A man named Michael Starkweather accidentally enters a house and finds a woman standing over her husband's dead body. She's holding a gun.
It's a shocking moment, but instead of calling the police, Michael decides to help her. He creates a story saying an unknown intruder killed the man.
As the story continues, we learn that the dead man, Richard Warwick, was not a kind person. Many people had reasons to hate him.
That's what makes this story so interesting. Everyone is a suspect, and the truth is hidden beneath many lies.
Let's talk about the main characters, Michael Starkweather, Laura Warwick, and Richard Warwick.
Michael is calm and clever. Laura is emotional and confused. Richard is cruel and controlling.
The story explores themes like revenge, love and hate, and justice.
Now, Peng, what do you think makes this story so engaging?
I think it's the mystery. You never know who to trust, and every character has a secret.
Exactly. It keeps the reader guessing and teaches us how complex human emotions can be.
Let's break down the story into key scenes so our listeners can follow along easily.
Scene 1. Michael enters the house, finds Laura with the gun, and decides to help her.
Scene 2. They create a false story to protect Laura from being arrested.
Scene 3. The police arrive and start asking questions.
Scene 4. We learn about Richard's past and how he hurt many people.
Scene 5. The truth begins to unravel, and we discover who really killed Richard.
Each scene adds more tension and reveals more about the characters.
Let's pause here and ask our listeners, what would you do if you found someone standing over a dead body?
It's a tough question. Would you help them or call the police?
Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Now, let's talk about the language used in the story. It's great for English learners because it's clear and full of useful expressions.
For example, foggy night, unexpected guest, alibi, suspicion. These are great words to learn.
We'll explain each one and give examples.
Foggy night means the weather is full of fog. You can't see clearly.
Unexpected guest means someone arrives without warning.
Alibi means proof that you were somewhere else when a crime happened.
Suspicion means you think someone might be guilty.
Try using these words in your own sentences. It will help you remember them.
Let's do a short role play to practice these words.
Okay, I'll be the police officer. You be the suspect.
All right, let's begin.
Where were you last night? During the foggy night.
I was at home, watching TV. I have an alibi.
But we found your fingerprints at the crime scene.
That's impossible. I'm just an unexpected guest.
Interesting. But we still have our suspicion.
Great job, Amma. That was fun.
Thanks, Peng. And we hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
Let's continue with more discussion about the ending of the story.
The ending is surprising. We find out that Laura wasn't the killer.
It was someone else, someone with a strong motive.
That's the beauty of Agatha Christie's writing. She always surprises us.
Let's talk about what we can learn from this story.
We learn that people are not always what they seem.
We learn to look deeper and question everything.
It also teaches us about justice and how truth can be hidden.
Now, Amma, let's give our listeners some tips for improving their English.
Tip 1. Read stories like this. They're fun and educational.
Tip 2. Practice speaking with a friend. Use new vocabulary.
Tip 3. Listen to podcasts like Daily Life English.
Tip 4. Write your own short stories and share them.
Tip 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
We hope today's episode was helpful.
And enjoyable.
Before we go, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
It means a lot to us and helps us keep creating.
Thank you so much for joining us.
We'll see you next time.